Godzilla x Kong, the new Empire unboxing toys video. First up here we have Kong with Beast Glove. Let's take him out. This is 6-inch Kong with Beast Glove. And let's talk articulation. His head can swivel to the left and right. Or do this, which nice mouth detail. His head sculpt. There's his cape and yeah, just don't do that because, I mean, it looks cursed. Oh, his knees can move up and down, as well as his legs can swivel out and in, and his legs can move up and down. He's got scars on his chest, and although it appears he can turn at the waist, he can't. His wrists move, as well as his elbow and shoulder. On the Beast Glove arm, you can only move his arm up and down and slight bend at the elbow. No wrist movement, and you can't turn the arm with the Beast Glove unlike this one. You can put his arm like that, this, or break his arm. Even though there's no battle axe included, you can still put it in there. But he does come with this new heave. I'm digging this design. So that's it for Kong with Beast Glove. Now on to Godzilla with Heat Ray. Once attaching the tail, it is on a ball joint, so you can move it any way you can, like wee. And comes with an atomic breath piece that you can take in and out. The jaw moves. The arms move up and down. There's now spikes on both of his elbows. His arms are longer, and he's got sharp claws. His head sadly doesn't turn, but moving on down the pink dorsal plates, his feet. His legs can move back and forth. His feet can rotate. And yeah, that's about it for Godzilla with Heat Ray. Can't wait to see him use a devastating tail swipe.